so I made you my wife. Since then I never look back. It's almost like living a dream. And ooh,